Good morning, students. Today, I will teach about the world between the two world wars from history second lesson. First, learning objectives of this lesson. The post World War first developments leading to the Great Depression and its impact and politics across the world. Then, the unjust provisions of Treaty of Versailles and the rise of fascist governments led by Mussolini in Italy and Hitler in Germany. Then, anti colonial struggles and the decolonization process in the colonized world. Case studies of Indo French in Southeast Asia and India in the South Asia. The next, European colonization in Africa. The case of Britain in South Africa. Next, the independence struggles and political developments in South America. Okay, these are the learning objectives of this lesson. The next, introduction. The First World War shattered the global capitalist system based on European imperialism. The European powers were gravely weakened by the war, financially and politically. The trade and financial imbalances left by the war and the harsh peace that followed created instabilities throughout the 1920s. Okay, these are introduction of the lesson. Next, the Great Depression. Development in the post World War first. The First World War led to the expansion of certain industries in the hope that the wartime boom would continue. However, when the war came to an end, the industries that grew to meet wartime requirements had to be abandoned or modified. Okay. Then, withdrawal of American capital. At the end of the World War first, America was financially in a sound position as the moneylender to the world. America encouraged the flow of capital into Europe, which helped the European debtor countries. Okay. The next, stock market crash in the US. The withdrawal of American capital was aggravated by the US market crash in 1929. The first huge crash occurred on 24 October 1929. This discouraged investors and consumers to such an extent that more and more people began to sell their shares and dispose of their stocks. Okay? These are the New York stock market crash 1929 to 30. Okay? The next, breakdown of the international system of exchange. Despite emergency measures such as cutbacks in expenditure and increased taxation, the situation did not improve in England. So, England decided to leave the gold standard. Immediately, a great number of countries left the gold standard. Okay? Then last, repercussion in politics. The depression changed the political conditions in several countries. In England, the Labour Party was defeated in the general election of 1931. In the USA, the Republican Party was rejected by the people in successive elections for about 20 years after the Depression. Okay? Thank you, students. One more thank you.